Hola chicos, so today we are going to talk about possessive adjectives or adjetivos posesivos en español. So you need to get your note packets out. Turn to the page that says adjetivos posesivos. It's right after the vocabulary. See, and let's begin. Okay, so possessive adjectives are used to show, obviously, possession. It's in the word possessive, right? Possession or ownership of something. Okay. Like other adjectives, possessive adjectives agree in number with the noun that follows it, right? So, if the noun that follows it is singular, then the possessive adjective is going to be singular. If the noun that follows it is plural, then the possessive adjective in front of it is going to be plural, right? Only the nosotros form and the vosotros forms have different masculine and feminine also. All the rest just have singular or plural. The possessive adjectives su and sus can mean many things. Okay? It can mean his, it can mean her, right? It can mean you, your, like for the usted, right? It can mean their, for like ellos, ellas, or it can mean all your, for like the ustedes, right? To show specific ownership, you can use a plus a noun or a pronoun. All right. Possessive adjectives set the tone for us to talk about what we own. So what are the singular? Let's talk about the singular possessive adjectives first. So if you want to use the word my, it is mi. Your would be tu. Now, please make sure you do not put an accent over this you. If you do, it means you, not your. Okay? His, her, or your formal, that would be su. Our masculine, okay, see, here you see where the nosotros and the vosotros goes, there's a masculine and a feminine version for both. So make sure you know that. So if the noun that comes after it is masculine, like libro, you would use nuestro. But if the noun that comes after it is feminine, like casa, then it would be nuestra. Okay? All your. This is vuestro, and you can see it looks very similar to the one above, and vuestra, right? We just changed one letter. And then, of course, su again. Right? Okay. Now, when do we use the singular possessive adjectives? You use it when the thing being owned is singular. Like the example I gave you here, mi libro, my book. Libro is singular, so you need the singular version. A person is they're describing their relationship to one other person. Okay? Mi primo, my cousin. That's only one cousin, so it's going to be me. Now, of course, we have plural possessive adjectives because when we talk about plural nouns, we need a plural possessive adjective. So instead of me, it's going to be mis. Instead of tú, it's going to be tus. You're going to see. All you're basically doing is adding an S to all the singular ones. Sus is his, her, or your formal. Nuestros, nuestras, right? For our. For all your in Spain, it's vuestros, vuestras. And then, of course, this one's the same. That's why when it falls into this category, we tend to use like clarifiers to make sure you know what we're talking about, or a subject, right? The thing being owned. So when do we use the plural possessive adjectives? When the thing being owned is plural. So for example, here we pluralized books, so we would need to use mis, right? A person describing their relationship to one or more person, should be persons or people. So here we have cousins, primos, so you need mis, okay? So here, I want you to fill in the correct possessive adjective. Okay, let's move this over. the correct possessive adjective for my, our, her, his, your, and my again. Now remember, you need to look at what comes after it, right? The noun that comes after it to figure out if it's singular, plural, masculine, or feminine. So go ahead and try them, pause the video, and then restart when you're done. Okay, so you're back, and let's go over your answers, what you should have. So here you have my. So we know it's either going to be me or mis, right? Because those are the two my's. Now, hermana is singular, ¿verdad? So it's going to be me. Our. And then, of course, it's tío. Tío is singular. So it's not going to be any of these. Also, tío is masculine. So it needs to be nuestro, right? Singular and masculine. Her cats, right? Gatos. Son cansados. Gatos is plural. Her plural, sus. Padres, right? We have padres here. We need his. So here we go. Again, padres is plural. His would be sus. Okay, your, blank, and then prima. Prima is singular, so we're going to pick from the singular ones, right? Your would be tu. And then my again, primas. Primas is plural, so we're going to use the plural version of my, which is mis. See? And that's all there is to it. It will take some practice, but it's a pretty simple concept because it kind of follows the same rules that we've already learned with adjectives matching nouns, right? Okay. Adiós, hasta luego.